Hello all, my name is Rahman and in this video we are going to create the sample data for the testing. So guys, if you remember in the last few videos we have talked about the regression theory and we have programmed for the best fit line and the best fit slope, and we have talked about the R squared theory and coefficient of determination, and we have talked about this theory, and we have written the program for the last video. Okay, so guys, if you remember up to this point we have been talking about the regression. We have done the regression and all those things, but we have written these, we have created these functions, and we have run this one, and all of them are working well. But guys, now here, up to now I am going to use here the top two major algorithms here for the testing. I am going to create the sample data for testing whether are we doing this correct, or are we doing this correct or not. Okay, and we will be creating the regression line, we will be creating the graph for the coefficient of determination, etc. So guys, in programming, the systematic testing is generally called as unit testing. This is where as a large program is built, each tiny subsystem is constantly checked. Okay, as updates and modifications are made to a large program, it can be very easy to accidentally change something that will conflict with the previous system. With machine learning, this can also be a problem. But your main concern at this point is merely to test our assumptions. Okay, eventually you would wise to create unit testing for entire machine learning system. But for now, we will just keep it as simple as possible right now, because we don't want to create the machine learning system for the entire, we don't want to create unit testing for entire machine learning system. So that's why we are doing right now as simple as we can. The idea here is to create the sample data for the unit testing. So now I am going to create here some functions, some definitions, define some functions, and then we are going to test the data. So guys, let's go ahead and get started by defining some functions. Okay, so guys, first of all here I am going to create a new one here below this one, and in this case I am going to define okay, I'm going to define the create data set. Okay, and here I am going to pass in some parameters, like I am going to offer the how many, which is m in short form, and the variance I'm going to add the step 2, step equals to 2, and here I'm going to add the correlation. Now, yeah, the step correlation should be equals to false only. Now guys, here we have to return the value, right? So guys, for returning that one, I'm going to return the numpy array, and then in the brackets I'm going to give it the xs comma, I'm going to give it the data type. Okay, so we have to give here the data type. So for giving the data type, we have to give equals to, the data type should be equals to numpy dot a. So guys, one thing I forgot here is we didn't run all of them, right? So first of all, let's run this one. So guys, it's showing me now this time because it's showing me the one. Now if I run it, so it has these variables has been created right now. Now so guys, if you see we have the data type array. Now in this one I don't want to be array. Okay, I want to be float. The float 64-bit. Okay, and beside this one I'm going to add here the comma and p array, and here I'm going to use the ys should be comma same thing. Data type float. Now I'm not going to run it because we have to add here the value, we have to add here the y, yes, and etc. Now first of all, let's create the value equals to 1. Okay, and here I'm going to add here the ys should be just dictionary. And now here I am going to use it for you. So I in range and it should be HM. How many we have? Now here below this one we have to give a command like y equals value plus I'm going to add here. So guys, one thing I forgot here is I'm going to save it. So we need to import the random. Here we need the random, right? So I'm going to import the random. Now I have saved it. Now I'm going to restart and clear all the outputs. So it's tested right now. Now let's run it from the top and this one. Now I'm not going to run this. Now we have the random, right? Now with the random, I'm going to add the rand range. So the rand range and rand range should be around minus variation, negative variation. Paste it, and here I'm going to paste it the positive variation. Okay, now so now guys, below this one I'm going to now below this one I'm going to add here the ys. Sorry. Now here we have to add the ys, right? So below this one I'm going to add ys append, and ys append should be the y only. We are going to append this one right now. So first of all guys, here I'm going to add here the if statements. Okay, so let's give the if before. Okay, so the correlation and again correlation. Okay, so if the correlation and correlation equals to positive, positive, and then I'm going to compare this. Sorry, not this one. Here I'm going to give the L value should be plus equals to the step. Okay, so here we have the step which is equals. We have set the default to the step which is the default is 2, and for the correlation we have the false. Okay, now I'm going to step using the step, and I'm going to copy this thing. We don't need it. Now let's copy it. Okay, and just paste it again. Now we have the correlation, and instead of this one I'm going to give it the negative. And G negative, and we have the value minus. Okay, now so guys, here we have entered the value minus step. We have done this one, so we have set the step to the default is to only. Now here we have to add the furthers, right? So I'm going to save it, and sorry, this is a mistake. Okay, no problem. Now one more thing here we have done is we have done the mistake for this one. If we are not running this one, we will be doing this one. Okay. Now in this case, it should be equals to the for loop, and in this one, I for I the for I in range, I'm going to use the length of the ys, and then here I should use it like this. Okay. Now I'm not going to run. So guys, after this one, I didn't got any errors or any problems right now. So now guys, and now I'm going to run this one and save it. Okay. Now let's select this one, run it, and we have the squared error. Let's run it. And here guys, if you see below the what's the coefficient, we have the MB, regression line, and all these things. Now I'm going to remove. I'm going to keep this one, but here below this one, I'm going to create a new shell where I will be writing the program like XS. Okay. Now here comma ys okay, XS comma ys should be create set. Okay, XS comma ys should be equal to create data sets. And now in this one guys, I'm going to add here the data. I'm going to add here the points. Okay, 40 points. What is that? Okay, 40 how many points? Okay, now below this one I'm going beside this one I'm going to add here the again 40. Okay. Now 40. Again I want to get the 2 and so correlation should be equals to false. Okay. Now I think I should run it. Check whether I am missing anything or not. Okay, so guys, right now we are not missing anything, but instead of this one, I should be able to press positive. So now let's run it. First of all, click it now. So now let's check what's the problem. Okay, so guys, here we have done the mistake. Now I am going to restart the kernel because otherwise it will be confusing for me. Restart and select the outputs. Now I am going to run it from the top. So run it. It's working. Now run it. It's also working. I selected this one. So now if I run this one, yeah, the output is this one. Okay. Now if I see, okay, so guys, as you can see here on the screen, here we have the regression points, and we have the we have the data. Okay, so we have a best fit line. Now instead of this 40, let's modify it to the 10. So guys, as you can see here, there the regression line, the direction is changed, and the points are left, right. So here I should here I should give the 40 only 40. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, we have a regression line and we have the regression dots. Now see, so guys, here we are getting the best, we are getting the regression line, right. So now the problem is the confusion here is if we have a regression line, okay, and we have these dots. So these two are in same color. So I want to change this color. So I'm going to add. So here we have to add here one more line like plot dot scatter, and I should give this some color, and then it's going to. So guys, for changing the color dots here, and now I'm going to copy this whole line, and now below this one I'm going to paste it. We have the plot dot scatter xs Now comma, I'm going to use the color. Okay, color should be red or red. So guys, as you can see here, we have got the red dots. Okay, now if I give something like are we getting anything or not? So guys, it's going to take a lot of time. So it's showing me. Okay, so that was not okay. Now what if I give just R? Let's see what R will be. So guys, so I think we can give in the single letter. So you can see here we have a line and we have these dots. Now we have the plot scatter xs color. Now we can change this color to any one, like let's change it to be black and run it. So you can see we have the blue, the dark blue color, or you can see black. You can also see that in this way. So yeah guys, no problem. Now I want to be now. So guys, what if we give here the xs ys comma xs, and let's check that. So guys, there is a lot of difference. The line is in different way, and everything has changed here right now because of those things. Now I'm going to change it to how it was. Now let's run it. So guys, as you can see here, these are all of them are working fine now. So we have these dots are also working. These dots have changed the color and etc. So anyway guys, I hope you like this video and enjoyed this video. So anyway guys, that's all for this video. If you have any questions, please give that in the comments below, and make sure subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.